Hey guys, this is Dave from ForzaCentral.com. The nice guys at Fanatic were nice enough to send us a new Forza Motorsport CSR wheel, so I thought I would open it just to make you guys jealous and stuff. You have been specifically selected by Microsoft and Turn 10 to receive the ultimate way to experience Forza Motorsport 4 for your review. Exciting. Box is nice. And I must apologize in advance for the poor quality of this video. I'm just using a standard webcam. How does this open? CSR Quick Guide. I'll be sure to read that. Install your wheel in 7 steps. An even quicker guide, I assume. Some nice foam packaging. Feels quite light compared to the last one. Oh, and I'm going to get out of this package. Oh, wow. The wheel is very sleek and nice. It's a lot lighter than the last wheel, which is a little bit surprising. Nice. And just your assortment of power cables and cables. Nothing exciting in there. Now on to the pedals, the CSR Elite pedals. Oh no. A good wheel, but they're pedals. Whatever. Apparently the pedals are a good wheel. And they feel nice. And they're good pedals. And supposedly make you faster. So get the drilling template, yeah, which will be nice if you've got like a rig or something. We've got another quick guide there, I believe. Yep. Quick guide. Lots of cardboard. Oh wow. These look quite impressive. They've even got their little logo and embroidered and cut pedals. So these are the pedals. Very nice. Lots of aluminum. Gas pedal feels nice. Oh, clutch. Kind of get little dials on it. I'll have to read up on these. See what those dials do. But those essentially, don't know if you can see the dial there. These are essentially the clutch pedals. And that's the back. Very nice. And finally, we come to the CSR shifter set. The box was quite badly damaged in transit. Hopefully we're okay. Some little cables, sellotape to some cardboard. Some attachment poles to attach it to the wheel, I suppose. And this is the first shifter. I think this is a sequential one. There you go. I don't know if you can hear that. Very shiny. And the aluminum feels really nice. That is aluminum, I believe it is. Very nice. I believe there's another one in here as well, which will be the 6-speed. I'll be interested to see how it will work with some of the 7-speed cars, like the Merc and whatever else. There you go. Second, first, fourth, fifth, sixth. First use, please calibrate. I assume I have to calibrate this before I use it. So there you go. Any questions? Just ask me and I'll be happy to answer anything you've got. Thanks a lot. This is David from ForzaCentral.com. Have a good day.